can't do packing. I just emptied out this shelf and put it in here, but I literally only have 2 of these boxes, so I'm kind of screwed. I am so bad at packing. So it's officially 2 days before I move out of here, and I won't lie, I am so stressed and so tired. I just came back from work, but like the amount of stuff that I have that I've accumulated just living here 1 year is just insane. I literally thought it would be so easy. Like, how much could 1 year of stuff even be? As you can see, it's an insane amount. Like, this box here is so freaking big, but I still have, like, I want to say half of my apartment that I haven't even packed yet. I don't even know if you could tell on my face right now how stressful it is. I think I never want to move again. I'm gonna try to finish packing it because literally I move on Saturday and it's Thursday night right now. Living alone officially sucks because I have to buy I don't go through these very often because I am by myself, so I have freaking like a month's worth of toilet paper and paper towels and wet tissues. I hate this. I hate this so much. Why did I do this to myself, huh?
If I stayed back, what would happen if I never found you? Those times were hard and all I did was resent you. Oh no, I don't want to go back. Oh, how naive it was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free.
Hi, bitch. I'm trying to hack this TV. Alright, so I shall attempt to like roll it like this.
It looks like if one side dropped, it would shatter still.
Fence my tape.
Yeah, you do. Just you look like you're just taping it and hoping it doesn't fall apart.
That is exactly what I'm doing.
Just don't drop it. 1,000 years of bad luck.
I broke a mirror before 7 years ago.
Cause no, I don't want to go back.
Hey, I'm here and I'm still accompanying you, watching you bubble wrap a mirror.
The current state of my TV and my mirror. It's literally my last day here and I somehow managed to spill the biggest spill on my carpet. My life is a comedy.
알 테니까 요거 TV 이렇게 거울 그다음에 요거 저런 건 안 갈 거예요? 침대?
침대가
너무 많아. 패키지 투맨이. 피니시.
Oh my god, I don't know why I got so complicated, but tell me why. There was furniture here, I threw it out in the basement like she told me to, and then I went to go get the ticket for my mover to get the car out of the garage, and then the guy was just like, oh, you threw out those tables and stuff, right? You have to pay for it. And then I was like, no, I'm not paying for it, like, all I have to do is call the realtor lady, and then the realtor lady will pay you. And then he was just like, oh no, like, you should pay for it right now, and then you have to go ask the lady for the money back after. I was like, huh? Last trip. I'm dying. One more trip back to the old place to bring some stuff, and then I'm done! I don't want to see the old place anymore. It's the second day of unpacking and it still looks pretty.